Hi, and welcome to Honest Wrenches. My name is Travis Troy, one of the owners, and I'd like to thank you for giving us the opportunity to earn your business. We know that car repairs and maintenance can sometimes be a hassle, but at Honest Wrenches, we're committed to making your experience both smooth and stress-free. If you have places to be while your vehicle is in for service, our shuttle drivers are here to help. We can drop you off at your next destination and pick you up once your vehicle is ready. We also offer pickup and delivery service for those days when life just gets too busy. And if your vehicle needs to stay with us for more than 24 hours, we'd be happy to provide you a loaner vehicle as long as we have one available. Our warranty is one of the best in the industry, 5 times longer than the dealers. It covers you for 5 years or 50,000 miles nationwide. We understand that unexpected car repairs can arise at the most inconvenient times. That's why we offer flexible financing options to fit your needs. 6-month financing plans, a 100-day same as cash option. No matter your situation, we've got you covered. At Honest Wrenches, we work hard to create a family atmosphere that carries over into how we care for our customers. Our technicians are continuously improving their skills and knowledge to ensure that you receive the best quality service. Throughout your visit, our team will be here to keep you informed every step of the way. You'll receive updates on your vehicle's status, and if we find anything that needs attention, we will walk you through it with complete transparency. We believe that trust is the foundation of a strong customer relationship, and we're committed to earning yours. Thank you for taking this virtual tour of Honest Wrenches. We know that there are many options out there, and we truly appreciate your consideration. If you decide to give us a chance, we promise to deliver an exceptional experience, provide top-notch care, and welcome you into the Honest Wrenches family. We look forward to serving you soon.